Hi guys, what's up my good people? Welcome back to yet another amazing content. My good name is Miss Lydia. I'm actually coming live from my village here in Kenya. So guys, today I'm really happy, as you can tell from this video. I don't know why, but I'm super happy because one thing for sure I know, we are growing. Our YouTube channel is actually picking up slowly, and that is really amazing. Thank you so much guys. So today I'm looking different. I don't know, it's because I removed my hair from the last video that I did. Yes, so guys, today actually I'm not really going outside to do contents, but I'm at home. I actually wanted to do a content here at home, and that is cleaning. I really wanted to wash my clothes, my blankets, and yeah, I wanted to take you along like how I do my cleaning when I'm not outside there creating content for you. Yes, so I'll be showing you like how I wash my things here at home using my hands. I'm actually really sorry, this phone just went off. It really went off because of the storage issues. I've had this problem for the longest. I think for 1 year, I don't know. This phone is ever full. I don't know what's making it full. It's ever telling me storage. So when I try to do my shooting, my things, recording, it just goes off. So that is one problem that I'm having with this phone, but soon we are going to fix it. So guys, what I was saying is, today I really wanted to do some cleaning. I'm really having many clothes outside there, and I really wanted to work on them before going outside to do some good content for you guys. So before that, I'll take you along like how I do wash my clothes using my hands. Yes, we use our hands to do cleaning, yeah, to clean our clothes. So guys, mumerudi. So guys, I am going to do that in a few together with you. So guys, let me remove my sweater. I'm feeling hot already. Inside to imagine. Hata nataka kufanya content kidogo hapa. Oh yeah, YouTube. So guys, so that's it. I'm going to do the washing, and we call it a day. So guys, before I forget, for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love. I really appreciate you so much for coming back to watch again what I've really uploaded. New subscribers, thank you so much. I also love you so much for coming, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, the new subscribers. So guys, nini come on, so guys, yeah, let's go outside there and do some cleaning, and we call it a day. Yes, the sun is out, as you can see, so I really want to make it quick and fast. I do the washing, I take the clothes outside to get dry, and we call it a day. See you there.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Hey guys, okay, I'm still washing. I'm still doing the washing. I haven't finished yet, but I'm still working on the last bunch so that I put them inside this machine for spinning. Then I put them outside to dry. So I still have those ones I haven't washed, but these ones I've already washed. I'm still rinsing this way, going that way, so that from here I just put them inside the machine to get spinned. So let me show you. Here are my blankets, heavy blankets. I've already washed, so I've just put them inside there to be squeezed, the water to be squeezed out or to be spinned. Then these ones they are clean. I'm just going to put them inside here to be spinned. Yeah, so let me just switch off my camera and see you in a few when I'll be spinning them all. My good people, actually I'm still washing. I haven't finished. It's almost like 1 hour and I'm still washing. I'm left with these ones. I'm just going to put them on the machine. This one I'm done washing. It's only rinsing. So the only things I haven't washed or touched are those ones over there. Those ones are like 3 bed sheets. I'm just going to wash them and also include them in the machine for spinning. So guys, pray for me. I'm feeling like my back is dead, like I'm super tired, but I'm done. So I'm just going to finish this, then I take a shower, then I take my lunch, and we call it a day. So guys, this is me again. As you can see down here, I don't know if you can see, I've already finished putting the other ones that I'd washed inside the machine for spinning. So I'm only left with those ones. Guys, I feel like leaving those ones on the water because I'm super tired. I'm exhausted. I feel my back is doesn't want to like bend anymore to wash. But guys, guess what? Since I started washing this, I thought I'm just going to wash my beddings, but I ended up washing everything that was dirty. I washed the machine is almost full, and it's a big one. You can imagine how I've washed, like I've really washed a lot of clothes. I didn't even expect. I don't know where I got the motivation from, but yeah guys, I've really washed. So let me just finish on this one, because if I leave them inside the water by tomorrow, they'll be smelling. So let me just wash them quickly. They are not really hard, they are only bed sheets. Then we call it a day. Bye. So guys, I'm back again for the last time. I've really washed, I've finished. Down here it's clean, there is nothing. So all the clothes are inside here. I'm just going to spin them. Yeah, then I'll see you after I've taken a bath. Yes, so let me show you how exactly I do spin these clothes. Guys, I managed to wash everything. As you can see down here, there is nothing. It's super clean. Those are my legs, they are all wet, but I'm going to work on them. So let me just close. Yeah, my clothes are inside here. Just want to make sure everything is okay. Yeah, let me try to put it on. Yes, then I make sure this part, because I want to squeeze the water, so I'm just going to put it under the spin here. Yeah, now it's fine. So I'm going to put it on here on the on button. Yeah, then spin button, then I set it. Yeah, it's like 10. I don't know what it means by saying 10. Is it 10 seconds? I don't know, I'm not sure. So the water is there. You see the way it is squeezing water, a lot of water. Yes. Let me remove this one, put it aside. Yeah. So it's going to spin it round, and where it's written 8, it's going to turn till 0. Then I switch it off. So let me wait for it to spin. Yeah. Still 7. Yeah. Let's give it some time to spin all the water out. See the way the water is coming out? Yeah, it's going to spin all the water out from these clothes. Then I'll put them on the wire line to dry. Yes. Still spinning here. Still spinning. Rain is coming and we still have some clothes outside drying, so just want to remove them so that they don't get wet. Kama zitakuwa wet, we have to bring them inside here again, we spin them. Until we have 0, 0 over there. Water is still coming out, you see? We have 4. We still have like 3 seconds or 2 to get it done, because there's still water coming out. So we have to spin it like 100%. So that the machine will be off by itself. Yes, so let's wait for some more because we have like 3 seconds over there. So let's wait for some 3 seconds, then the water will be like completely, the clothes will be dry completely. Enjoy side ingine usikanyage maji. Yeah, let's wait for some minutes. Yeah, we have like 2 seconds, as you can see, and the clothes are being spun and the water almost drying up. So guys, we have 1 second over here. Yeah, the speed has actually reduced. Yeah, the spinning is almost getting done, and here we have 1 second, and the water down here has completely reduced. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, there's no water, completely it's dry. Yeah, so I really have to switch off this button. Yeah, switch it off. Then on the wall, yeah, my clothes are ready to be hung. My clothes are actually dry, as I was saying. There's no water. The only part remaining is to just remove them and hang them. My bed sheets are like dry, no water at all. So let me first go and take a rest. I shower, I eat, then I'll come and remove them and put them on the wire line later on. Yeah, guys, I really want to take a quick shower so that I can get something there to eat, then we call it a day. So my water is right there on a white jug boiling. Then because this place is super cold, I can't shower with cold water, so I'm waiting for that water to boil. Then I take a good shower because I'm really tired, and then when I sit down, I'll get something to eat, then I get my rest. I've really washed today. See my hands, they are black. I've really washed. So guys, let me take something here small to chew as I wait my water to boil. Let me take a banana, or I don't know. Yeah, let me take this one as I wait my water to boil. So guys, I've already taken my good shower, so I'm back to eating. Actually, I'm holding my food, it's right here. These are this is maize and this is beans, and we have potatoes, so we call it githeri in our local language. So that's what I'm really having for lunch. So it's nice, really nice. My water is boiling there. I want to take black coffee. I really like black coffee a lot. so I want to take it together with this one. Yeah, then we call it a day. So guys, thank you so much. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really love you. Thank you for the support. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much also. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like. That is really, really important. Then, thank you so much for 1300. We are actually heading to 2000 subscribers. Yeah. So, guys, this food is really, really sweet. You should try it. As I was saying, make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Do not skip it, guys. Please don't skip it. If you find the ads in the middle, please watch. Don't skip it. For the new subscribers, please subscribe. Watch, then subscribe to this channel. So guys, I'm just going to end this video right here, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.